Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Capital One CreditWise easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open the Capital One app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, sign in to your Capital One account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by selecting the Sign Up option. After signing in, locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the navigation options. Scroll down to find the CreditWise option. Select CreditWise to open the CreditWise feature. Once on the CreditWise page, you will see an overview of your credit score. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After verification, you will be redirected to the subscription page. Review the information about CreditWise and its benefits. You may need to accept some terms and conditions. Read through these terms and check the box to agree. Finally, confirm your subscription by selecting the Confirm button. You will receive a notification that your subscription is successful. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.